If you're anything like me, your phone dying at the wrong time is one of the most frustrating things ever. Whether you're an Android user or an Apple user, staying charged isn't optional anymore and it's more essential. And today we're looking at a full charging ecosystem from Anker Prime, the flagship lineup that combines 5 of Anker's most advanced technologies from GAN Prime 2.0, Power IQ 5.0, Active Shield, Turbo Boost and Anker Sense, all designed to make charging faster, smarter and safer than ever. Then we've got the Anker Prime 3-in-1 charging station, the Prime 160-watt 3-port charger, and the Prime 300-watt power bank, which is the coolest power bank we've featured on the channel. Now each one is built around these technologies, and by the end you're going to see why this setup covers every single charging need, from your desk to your wall socket to even when you're completely off the grid. Let's start with the Anker Prime 3-in-1 charging station, because this one instantly transforms your desk or bedside table. It charges your phone, watch and AirPods all at the same time, and it also keeps everything looking neat and organized, and it's the world's first 25-watt wireless charger with an active cooling system and a built-in display. When you place your iPhone sideways, it automatically goes into the standby mode, turning your screen into a smart clock with widgets and calendar info. And it's Qi2 25-watt certified, and this means up to 6 times faster than standard 5-watt charging speeds. And it's built from aerospace-grade materials, and it also uses TEC active cooling to draw heat away from the iPhone. Now, even charging something heavy like an iPhone 16 Pro Max, the peak temperature only hits around 31 degrees Celsius, and that cooling system is also part of the Active Shield 5 technology, which performs over 10 million temperature checks every day to keep your devices charging safely. It also features Anker Sense smart display technology, showing your current charge rate, temperature and charging mode right on the screen. Now you can swipe through boost mode for maximum speed, ice mode for charging while the phone's in use, or sleep mode to dim the display and turn off the cooling for a quiet overnight charge, and there's even a built-in screensaver and adjustable brightness. Now inside the Anker app, you can view real-time charging data, you can switch between these different charging modes, you can tweak the display timeout, or even customize that clock layout. And you can also toggle the brightness directly from your phone, and you can switch between the 12 and the 24-hour formats. Now the mount is fully adjustable for the phone angle, and even though it's designed with iPhones and other iPhone accessories in mind, it does of course work with other products, and as you can see here, I'm using it with my Galaxy S25 Ultra and my Shox earbuds as well. Plus the included 65-watt power adapter for this detaches, and it doubles up as a standalone travel charger. Now next up, we've got the Anker Prime 160-watt 3-port charger. It's compact but extremely capable, and it's actually the world's most compact 160-watt multi-port charger. It plugs straight into the wall and gives you 3 USB-C ports with a total of 160-watt output. It's enough to charge a laptop, a tablet and a phone all at the same time. It's powered by GAN Prime 2, which is Anker's latest gallium nitride architecture for higher power density and cooler operation in a smaller body. This charger is equipped with Power IQ 5, which automatically detects your device and dynamically allocates power for the fastest possible charge. And by default, it splits 160 watts evenly, but here's where the charger gets really clever. You can switch to C1 priority mode if you've got a high-powered device like a laptop, giving that port full preference while still charging another 2 devices. Or you can also dive into custom mode, and this is where it gets extremely versatile because you can manually set the exact wattage for each port. You can allocate up to a maximum of 140 watt to C1 and C2 and divide the rest however you like. So that means if you want your laptop pulling 120 watts, your tablets pulling 30 watt, and then maybe some earbuds pulling 10 watt, you can program it that way in seconds. Press the button on the charger itself and you can cycle through the total output, individual port power, temperature and the current charging mode, all shown through the Anker Sense smart display. Then again, you can also open up the Anker app on your mobile for full control, and inside the app you're going to find real-time power graphs, cable data and active charging protocols for each device being charged. When I plug it in to my S25 Ultra, it instantly detects Samsung Superfast charging and confirms it's running in AI2 mode. Now from here, you can switch between standard mode, dual laptop mode or custom mode. You can adjust wattage sliders per port and even save your preferred setup. Now it even shows you individual port statuses, cable health and output history as well. Now the ports being on the bottom of this charger also keep the cables tidy, and the whole thing runs on GAN Prime 2, Power IQ 5 and Active Shield 4, combining efficiency, dynamic power distribution and constant safety checks. Again, it's over 10 million temperature scans per day. So this is Anker's AI charging mode in action. It's dynamically redistributing unused power every couple of minutes to keep all connected devices charging at peak efficiency. Now my favorite of the three, and that's the Anker Prime 300-watt power bank. It's compact yet incredibly powerful. It's an industry-leading 300-watt multi-port fast-charging power bank, and it holds a whopping 26,250 mAh battery. It's got two 140-watt USB-C ports and an additional 22.5-watt USB-A port. Now you also get a high-speed braided USB-C cable and a carry pouch included in the box. Now the Anker Sense display gives you live data from battery percentage, total output, mode, temperature, and of course the Bluetooth status. Tap the button and you can cycle through each port and check the real-time output of all of them. And again, you can open up the Anker app on your phone and you get the full dashboard experience. You'll see animated power flow graphics, real-time input and output graphs, battery temperature, charging protocols, and even cable information as well. Now each port can be monitored separately, and just like the other chargers, the power bank offers full custom control. There are three main modes. We've got Smart Dynamic Output that uses Power IQ 4 to automatically adapt the power delivery between the ports. We've got Power Saving Mode that reduces heat while keeping efficiency high. We've got Custom Mode, and again, it lets you manually set the output of each port yourself. And yes, you can crank those USB-C ports up to 140 watt max individually. And that means if you're powering a laptop, a camera battery, and a phone simultaneously, you can assign exactly how much each one needs for maximum efficiency. Now this makes the power bank far more capable than standard ones with fixed outputs, and of course for safety we've got the Active Shield 4 technology, which runs in the background at all times, and again like Active Shield 5 it does 10 million temperature checks every single day. And then when you're recharging the power bank itself, things get even more impressive. If you're using the Anker Prime charging base, it supports turbo boost recharging, pulling in up to 150 watt of input power, and that hits 50% charge in just 21 minutes. Now that's faster than many laptops recharging themselves, and of course it's compact, smart, and easily the most advanced power bank I've ever used. So whatever your setup looks like, Anker Prime has a solution for it. The sleek 3-in-1 charging station keeps your workspace organized, the 160-watt charger gives you precision control over every device, and then the 300-watt power bank keeps you powered anywhere you go. Now of course I've placed the links down in the description below, so you can go ahead and grab yours now. And Anker are also running the Prime 100 Creator Program as well. You can submit your own photos or videos capturing your Prime moment, and you can win some amazing prizes doing so. Now I've placed the link for that down in the description as well, and hopefully I've covered everything for you guys in today's video, but if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.